Hi guys, welcome to the Nikki Show featuring Olivia. I'm your guest star for the night. We are now playing a game of King's Corner.
This is legit, just so everybody knows it's really the Nikki Show.
That's
my show you're talking
Okay,
about.
so we're gonna start with Busta Rhymes.
Oh my god.
Busta Rhyme, dime.
What?
Dime.
10 cent, nigga.
Yeah, dime.
Mine. Slime.
Grime.
Rhyme.
Prime. What'd you say?
Grime.
Lime.
What'd you say?
Lime?
Oh, lime, alright.
Yeah.
Wait. Time.
Crime.
Damn, that was mine. She was like, didn't you say that already?
No, grime.
Fine.
Damn, that doesn't rhyme.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Drink. Will do.
Oh, thanks for reminding me.
I got you, girl.